Starting your own business and need help defining your product or brand? At Hayes Media, we can help. Whether it's building a website, defining who you are, or showing off your latest ideas, we have experts in all areas to get you up and running in no time. With the ever-expanding availability of mobile devices, you want to make sure your business is well adapted and broadcasted to the entire world. With Hayes Media, we can ensure that your website will scale across any mobile platform or build an app that will meet the needs of your client. Need to show off a new product but don't have the available resources to do so? We can present your new creation with state-of-the-art production and camera quality to really show off your greatest idea. For more information, you can find us at hayesmedia.ca. Hayes Media, we bring the flow of ideas to you.